Welcome to Design Tutorial YouTube channel. In this tutorial we have to draw this display diagram which will be drawn on the Autodesk Inventor software. Let's get into the video. Before going to drawing session, I just explain the diagram which will be displayed on the screen. This is the diagram where you have been drawn on the software. The total length will be 445. Number of circles are involved in this diagram. First circle will be dia 230. Then second and third will be 100 and then 80. These two portions are same in this diagram. Same 80 then 60 inner dia. There are some fillets and chamfer are here. This is the top view, this is the section view, this is the front view. These are the views given this diagram. Let's get into the drawing section. When you open the Autodesk Inventor software, the user interface look like this. Just click part, then select 2D sketch, select the front plane. We have to make circle. Okay, this one be a diameter. The diameter will be 230. Just finish sketch, give finish sketch, then select extrude distance will be 20. Reverse direction, just click OK. Then again we select 2D sketch, select this plane. We have to make this edge will be a construction one. Select project geometry, construction, select the edge. Now we have to create one horizontal line, then one arc. Arc like this, then make one vertical line. Now we have to assign the dimension. The radius will be 75. The height will be 200. The length should be 300. Just make sketched one. Finish sketch. Now we have to create plane with this point. Select plane, zoom in, select the point. Okay, now plane will be created. Then select the plane, create sketch. Now we have to draw the rectangular section of the diagram. Select 2 point center rectangle. Just give dimension using tab. Now we have to add some fillet. The radius will be 20. Give fillet to all of the corner. Now we have to make 4 circle. Okay, the diameter will be 20. Same here also. Here also 2. This side also same 20. Now we have to exit the sketch. Select extrude, select the face, give reverse direction 20, click OK. Now we have to rotate, select the face, create sketch, make one circle. The diameter will be 100. Now exit the sketch, select sweep, the profile will be selected. Now we have to select curve, select this curve. Boolean we have to select join, just click OK. Again we have to select this face, create sketch, then make one circle. Dia will be 80. Now exit the sketch. We have to visible the sketch now. visible, yeah, visible the sketch. We have to sweep the sketch will be selected. We have to select the curve. In boolean we have to select cut. See, the cut will be goes like this. Just click OK. Just make rotate. Select the face. Now we have to make OK. We have to project the inner circle. Just exit. Select extrude. Give reverse direction. The cut will be done. Just click OK. We have to create plane from this. The plane will be minus 445. Minus will indicate the reverse direction. We have to select this plane to create sketch. Then make two circle. The diameter will be 80. Inner dia will be 60. Okay, we have to assign dimension. This one be as 70. We have to make linear constraint, I mean vertical constraints. Okay, just finish the sketch. Now take extrude, select the face. We have to select this face, so I select two. Just select the face. The extrude will be goes like this. Then click OK. Same, we have to select the extrude face to sketch. Project the inner circle. Just exit. We have to do same again. Just reverse direction to this. We have to cut. OK. Okay, I just cancel. Again we select. We have to cut the inner portion. Just do next face. Click OK. This one will be a easiest one. Previous one should be said as some error. Just click OK. Okay, now we have created the portion. We have to create another portion. Now we have to create plane. From this the height will be 100. Just select. I just hide the plane using. Okay, we have to we have to hide this plane. Just hide. Then we have to select the plane. Same circle will be here also. The next we will assign the dimension. Dimension should be 80. Here 60 diameter. Now the distance should be 95. Make this one horizontal. Okay. See, it says fully constrained. Just finish sketch. Select extrude. Select the face. Just we select to this face. See, the extrude will be look like this. Just click OK. We have to do same this thing also here also. We have to project the inner circle. Just click OK. Finish sketch. We have to extrude to next in cut. Now click OK. The cut portion will be done. We have to make the upper face of this object. we have to project the inner circle. Now make one vertical line. The line length will be 70. Just make this line construction. The radius will be 20. Oh, okay. Simply double click. Just give 20. Now the center radius will be 50. Make one horizontal construction line for mirror this circle. Just click apply, it's done. Okay. Now we have to assign the dimension. Okay, construction. Okay, we have to delete this. Okay, the radius will be 20. Just make this one sketched one. Now we have to the total length will be 140. Just make tangent line to all surface. Opposite side also make tangent lines. Just make a line. We have this option. This option will make the line and circle will be a tangent. Okay, we have to make this. Okay. This one should be a vertical one. Now we have add here also make also tangent. Then we have to trim the unnecessary portion. Now we have to assign the radius just 50. Here also 50. Okay. Then the inner dia will be 20. Here also 20. Just give finish sketch, extrude, select the face. This extrude distance will be 50. Just click OK. Just hide the plane, hide the sketch also. Now we have to add some extrude hole. The circle will be, I think, okay, we will assign the dimension 190. The dia hole will be a diameter 20. Okay. Now we have assigned this dimension of the circle. This one will be a 190. Okay, we have to make one vertical line. This dia will be 90. Sorry, 20. Just make sketch one using circular pattern. Select the geometry. then make one axis line. The number of circular pattern will be 4. Just click OK. Then okay, let's delete the dimension. This one be a construction one. Oh god. Okay, we have to redraw the circle 20. Just make construction. This one will be a sketched one. We have to select the circular pattern, select the geometry first, then we have to select the origin point. Now we have to number of circular pattern. Just click OK. See, it's done. Now we have extrude. Do extrude cut. Select 4 circle. Select 4 circle of this face. Now we have to give reverse direction. It will be a cut. Okay. See, the diagram will be fully done. Balance is we have to give chamfer and fillet. Chamfer here. Here also. Here. Then this edge also. Now click OK. Now we have to add some fillet. The fillet radius will be a 5. Okay. Now we have to rotate. See this one, inner one, this one, this one. Okay. See, it's fully done now. We have to see the inner section, just top view. Select the plane. Click OK. See, the inner cut will be look like this. Inner portion will be done. I think there's some error in this place. We have to clear this error. Just give Ctrl Z. Give double click. Okay. Select this place. Now it will be done. Okay. Let's see, the diagram is fully done. We will see in the next video. Please do subscribe and support this channel. Thank you for watching.